started with 2 pounds of ground sirloin for a 10-inch cast iron skillet. I've got the oven preheating to 375. I'm gonna grate in a couple of fat cloves of garlic. And then I'm gonna grate in ginger. Now, when you buy ginger, a finger of ginger is what this is. When you bring it home, you're only gonna use an inch or two for a recipe. I think you should peel the whole of the ginger, use a teaspoon to do that. It's the most efficient tool because of all the weird little bends and twists in the ginger root. Once we clean this up, you can pop the leftover into the freezer. It's perfect for next time. It looks like ginger snow when you're grating frozen ginger. My mom's trick is to grate the onion directly over the bowl so that all the onion juice falls into the meat. 1 small onion, or about half of a larger onion. Some breadcrumbs. Let everybody get along. Couple of eggs. Keep it nice and moist. I already put salt and pepper in. Fat splashes of Worcestershire. I could drink this straight from the bottle. Love you, baby. And some smoked soy sauce, smoked shoyu, or tamari. Here today, gone tomorrow. I know, that always makes me giggle. And then you're going to put a little oil. Vegetable oil or olive oil, doesn't really matter. To get it nice and crunchy and brown on the sides and the bottom. Take your rings off and get your paws in there. Slide her on in there. Pop that in the sink. And then even them out. Hello, meatloaf. It's much easier to cut too. You don't have to pull it out of the loaf pan. You just cut it into wedges and serve straight from the pan. Goldie, open the oven. Do you have a daytime husband at your house? It's so fun. So, now, as I was saying, we take the gochujang, which is on the international foods aisle of your market. Make sure you're buying what is appropriate for your heat level. Mix that into your ketchup base, and I add a little drizzle of sesame oil. Okay, so you let your skillet Korean style meatloaf cook about 20-25 minutes. Slap on your sauce, pop it back in for another few minutes till it gets set. So this is our Korean style skillet meatloaf. It smells delicious. I just garnish it with some chives, and I use a pie cutter, pie server here, to get out a big old wedge.